The Celtic Sea gives a great opportunity for extracting energy, particularly wind energy, from the marine environment. But there are challenges associated with how that's done in a low carbon manner, which is so important to deliver on our net zero aspirations. Marine autonomy offers real opportunity to be able to do operations in a way that is much more efficient and rapid in providing the information that's needed to support the installation of floating offshore wind infrastructure in the coming years. The way that we can use autonomous systems to help the expansion of activity within the Celtic Sea is about using a combination of both crewed and uncrewed vessels to collect data which might be associated with the pre-consenting process, all the way through to monitoring activity and servicing and maintenance of the very significant numbers of structures that will be required in the environment. But as you're installing these structures, you also need to be looking at the interaction that they have themselves with the environment around them. And again, using autonomous systems to collect data, transfer that ashore in an efficient manner, enables that understanding to be improved. Broadening the understanding of how these structures work within the marine environment and any impacts that they may have, and that can be positive as well as negative, is an important part of the research work that we ourselves do at the university in partnership with our partner organisations under the umbrella of the National Centre for Coastal Autonomy. Research expertise, facilities, partnerships and skills that we have here in Plymouth in marine autonomy will unlock the opportunity to decarbonise operations in floating offshore wind as it expands into the Celtic Sea.